I use my Bronco a lot, but for us, the Bronco really is a work truck. We keep it at our farm most of the time, and whether we're fording rivers or riding trails, our truck gets worked out. We started the process, had a handful of conversations, and Seth's passion and knowledge for Broncos really came out in those conversations. Design process with Gateway Bronco is really easy. Laying out all the options, making suggestions where I was looking for suggestions. It was a really collaborative process and very easy. The thing that stood out about Gateway to me was really the bespoke nature of the process, that we could really drill down on some things that were important to me, things like embroidered headrests, the power windows, just little features that we didn't see anywhere else that Gateway offered. I would tell someone who's considering a Gateway Bronco, you need to go into it with patience, that building a truck like this takes time, but at the end of the day, you're going to be rewarded with a really special vehicle. One thing I would tell the guys in the shop is thank you. They are building incredible bespoke vehicles. I'm very blessed to have one, and I would just say thank you guys. Keep it up, you're doing a great job.